Good morning, students. Today's class is grammar class about preposition, at, in, to, so many things. Most important in grammar, preposition is connecting words and sentences. Okay? Let's example. First of all, study at. This indicate exact place. बड़ा जगह बताने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Example. There is a man standing at the gate. गेट के बाजू में आदमी खड़ा है. एट अंडरलाइन कीजिए. और एक बात, there is a man standing at the gate. Gate. At अंडरलाइन कीजिए. Number 2, my house is at Thana, Mumbai. My house is at Thana, Mumbai. Next one, do they play games at school? At underline. Do they play games at school? At underline. We will meet at Hotel Surya on next Monday. We will meet at Hotel Surya on next Monday. At underline. Next underline. To indicate time. टाइम बताने के लिए at का जरूरत है. Heading to indicate time. Underline. Example. She was married at the age of 19. 19 साल में लड़की का शादी हुआ. तो at यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. Once again, she was married at the age of 19. Next one. He came at 3 o'clock. He came at 3 o'clock. At underline. My uncle came home at midnight. My uncle came home at midnight. At underline कीजिए. In. Next heading in. In. She used to indicate a period of time. वो period of time बताने के लिए. He will finish the work in a month. He will finish the work in a month. In underline कीजिए. एकदम बड़ा सिटी में जन्म हो गया तो इन यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. शी वॉज born and brought up in Delhi. She was born and brought up in Delhi. Number 1. My first son was born in Mumbai. तो इन most important indicate बड़ा सिटी का बताने के लिए. Next one. Heading to show a particular place. तो प्रत्येक जगह बताने के लिए भी इन का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. To show a particular place. Example. The sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. In underline कीजिए. He works in a school near our home. He works in a school near our home. My uncle lives in Mumbai. My uncle lives, L-I-V-S, lives in Mumbai. In underline कीजिए. Next one. To show the part of the day. Heading. To show the part of the day. Heading underline. We go to school in the morning and return in the evening. We go to the school in the morning and return in the evening. इसमें दो इन बताते हैं. We go to school in the morning and return in the evening. दो इन अंडरलाइन कीजिए. Next one. Heading. Using before season. सीजन है ना, समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन का पर इन यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल. इन समर, इन विंटर, इन रेनी सीजन. सम अदर एग्जाम्पल. ही गॉट फुल मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश. ही गॉट फुल मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश. इन अंडरलाइन करो. इंग्लिश में उसको जास्ती मार्क्स मिला. शी इज इन स्टैंडर्ड 7th. She is in standard 7. In underline कीजिए. वो standard 7th में पढ़ रहा है. Once again, she is in standard 7th. Actually, some common difference between at and in on. At, in on का सारा difference क्या बताएगा? Example. At home, at school, at sea, ocean, at college, at the bus stop. ये सब एट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट ऑन क्या ज़रूरत है? ऑन द रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म, ऑन द on the ground, on the estate, on the table, on Monday, on Friday, etc. So on पे जरूरत है. ये by का यूज करने का by heading. This book was written by अब्दुल कलाम. ये बुक कौन लिखा है उसका by यूज करना पड़ेगा. And this book was written by जवाहरलाल नेहरू. वह by अंडरलाइन कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वन, एक आदमी उसको मार दिया तो he was killed by his servant. He was killed by his servant. She goes to school by train. She goes to school by train. तो गाड़ी में आते जाते उसको by यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वन, my uncle will come by flight. My uncle will come by flight. फ्लाइट से आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन, by indicate headline. By used with the future tense also. Heading. I shall be leaving by 5 o'clock today. I shall be leaving by 5 o'clock today. He will have completed his computer course by next week. He will have completed his computer course by next week. By record that one. Using with the passive voice. Passive voice में by use करना पड़ेगा. America was discovered by Columbus. America was discovered by Columbus. By underline कीजिए. A rat was killed by the cat. A rat was killed by the cat. And also with कैसे यूज करना है? with साथ में मतलब he lives with his uncle. with underline कीजिए. He lives with his uncle. The head is covered with cap. The head is covered with cap. सिर कैप के साथ कवर किया है. पर with का यूज कर. He was killed with an axe. A-X-E. Axe से उसको मार डाला. He was killed with an axe. A-X-E. So these are most important things for connecting and joining. Most important, especially while writing. Grammar is science. Always remember. If you early stage, if you study carefully grammar, you can be a grammarian. You will be expert in grammar. Any other language we can write and speak without grammar. English cannot write and speak without grammar because it has different meaning. English grammar is science. Is the correct meaning of writing and conversation. When you speak English, the educated person will listen to your speech. He will judge your ability, skill, attitude in English. So be very careful. Learn English grammar early stage in the school section. By, in, on, at. It's only small word at, but it's most important. स्मॉल विलेज में जन्म हो गए तो एट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. और इन यूज़ करने का बड़ा सिटी लंदन, मुंबई. बॉर्न इन लंदन, बॉर्न इन दिल्ली, बॉर्न इन बॉम्बे, बॉर्न इन अमेरिका. इनका जरूरत है. क्यों? यू आर गिविंग इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर दैट कंट्री, दैट डेवलप्ड सिटीज़. स्मॉल टाउन अपना उत्तर प्रदेश का, केरला का रूरल विलेज को एट. बॉर्न एट आलवे, केरला. आलवे छोटा टाउन है. बॉर्न एट Tamil Coimbatore. Also at not a major city, so at use करना पड़ेगा. So, dear students, I have to tell one thing about students' speech. Cross your books and listen to every speech you listen. You can become a good speaker. Students are the building block of the nation. We want more highly qualified doctors, engineers, advocates, professors, nurses, and scientists. This is molding. First molding from the home. Your first teacher is your loving mother. You learn everything from mother when you are 5 years old. Then you go to school. Your school is another giving shape to your molding a citizen. So when you are studying in the schools and college, give more attention. When the professor or teacher speak anything, pick up very fast, grab it. Computerized in your brain. You want to become something, always find out what is your talents to become what? Engineer, doctor, scientist, advocate, nurse, businessman, industrialist. So all this you are burning desire. So this should be early formed before you reaching the age of 20 or 21st. This is called your God, G-O-I-L, God. This God and aim make you a great person or personality. Suppose you want to become a film star. That is a seed that you have to develop and develop. One day you can become a famous film star like Amitabh Bachchan and all. Amitabh Bachchan was not a big film star. He was an ordinary person working in an office somewhere many years back. Then he acted some films. Gradually, he became very famous. He is the famous film star in the world. He has acted in English movies also. He is famous throughout the world. He is an icon. And everybody's, the previous life is very simple. Step by step, they are becoming great. That law. They are not born as rich. Nobody is born with the qualities they should develop on him. Could you tell me anybody is born with as a businessman? Could you tell me I was born as a film star? Could you tell me as an engineer? No, it is quality developed on him. Developed by within you, with your parents, mother, teachers, Sunday school. So always when you study in the school and college, don't waste time. Many students start early from home and they are not attending classes in the college. They are sitting in the college canteen and spending a waste of time. But those who are brilliant, they don't waste a single moment, because every moment they think, I want to become a great person. Because when you are wasting time in the college canteen, you think the hard working money of your father. Your father working hard for a better world for you. Means your son, his son and daughter. Every father thinks my son should be a great person. My daughter greater than another doctor. She should be a IPS officer. Should be a military sculptor. Every father and mother thinks a better world for their son and daughter. So don't waste your time, because college life is very enjoyable. Keep away from ragging and all. I'm telling the senior students, don't punish any junior students. They become mentally and physically disabled. Their future is completely arrested by senior students with ragging. It's a brutal activity, devilish activity. So think about the future. Only a countable years you are living in this world, so everybody has a dream. That dream should fulfill. So I request senior students, be away from ragging in the college. Maybe knowing by ragging so many students become mentally mad. So many have committed suicide in the history of India. I know one parent, only one son, he was ragged by senior students. Ultimately, his dream completely faded. After a few years, became mad. Then he completely a useless person. After a few years, he's left from the home, left from the community. Nobody knows where he was, because his dream completely faded, burned by senior students. This ragging is a devilish attitude. When you are tempting ragging, means devil enters in your brain and thought. So please, for the sake of these poor students, they are taking loan and admit in the college. Parents have good dream, but don't spoil the dream of the students and dream of the parents. Always be away from ragging. This is my request for all students. Thank you. Have a nice day.